So naive, falling into love like such a fool. Yeah, I was dumb, but she was me. It broke my trust, and honestly, I never wanna feel that hurt again. I'm so done breaking down my walls for someone to break me till I fall apart. Loneliness is not that hard, and I'm over waiting for a sense of closure, trying to cover up these scars, won't fix another broken heart. Let's go! And I'm over waiting for a sense of closure, trying to cover up these scars, won't fix another broken heart. Can't help but wonder if it's me. You say I'm too closed off, but maybe we're not meant to be. And I'm afraid of who I've been. The weight of those mistakes I've made won't let me let you in. 'Cause I'm thinking back to 23, when I was drunk and so was she. Said the words I love you for the first time. We fell so fast we couldn't see. Our story was a tragedy. I never wanna feel that hurt again. I'm so done breaking down my walls for someone to break me till I fall apart. Loneliness is not that hard, and I'm over waiting for a sense of closure, trying to cover up these scars, won't fix another broken heart. Yeah, I'm over waiting for a sense of closure, trying to cover up these scars, won't fix another broken heart. fall to rise. There's no going back again. And it's getting harder to go through the motion, 'cause we both know how this ends. I know myself a little too well, and it's a little too hard to let you go. You keep coming back, and I know it hurts, but we're losing this fight for the last time. I can be the bad guy, so blame it on me. Just blame it on me. Blame it on me. Just blame it on me. I can be the bad guy, so blame it on me. Just blame it on me. Blame it on me. Blame it on me. I can be the bad guy, so blame it on me. I can be the bad guy, so blame it on me. Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this? Only a fool would've let you go. You got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white. Nothing's ever black and white. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white. I can see the fire in your eyes, wondering what I've done wrong. Those words are kinda hard to find, so I would rather write this song. I don't wanna see you cry again, and no matter how the story ends, I'll always be there for you. 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black nothing's ever black and white. I'm still hiding all my secrets, and I just need someone